Hi, I'm Kevin. I'm going to show you how to automate your report generation using LabVIEW's API for DIAdem. First, let's go ahead and open up LabVIEW and get a new VI started. There we go. First thing I'm going to do is find my DIAdem APIs here on add-ons. I'm going to clip it here. First thing we need to do is open up DIAdem and make sure we close it at the end. Now this is going to follow the same analysis that Abitha did in the previous video. So I'm going to load in 2 data files and then run a script. Now I'm going to show you both a VBS script and a Python script. So let's wire these up. There we go. And get these files. Now, I'm hard coding these files, but this is just to show you kind of how to lay out your VI to grab these files. Oh, since we're grabbing 2, let's go ahead and append instead of overwrite. So we have both files in there. Now let's find those files that Abitha used. And I have a good memory, so I know it's this one and this one. All right, we got our 2 files that need to be analyzed. And the VB script was exactly the same as Abitha's. I watched her video and used the record feature on DIAdem, and it actually created the script for me while I did the analysis. So let's see, let's get the script. Let's start with the Visual Basic, and here is the Python script. So I'm going to go ahead and hit start, and what this is going to do is open up DIAdem in the background, load in 2 data files, run the script. And what happens in the script is that it pushes out the report that Abitha made, the template. It uses the template, populates the data, and spits it out. So here's the Visual Basic script. Now let's check out the Python. There you go. And hit run. So it opens up DIAdem in the background, loads those 2 data files again, runs the Python script, and outputs the report template with it filled in. And there we go. Just to show you that I'm not pulling any trickery here, let me open up DIAdem and show you what those scripts look like. We go into the script section, open it up. Where are we? And there we go. Here's our Visual Basic. And these are the exact same things that Abitha did, just in Visual Basic and Python, using this record button here. So this is how you automate a report generation using LabVIEW's API for DIAdem.